Some things you're going to learn in this class is how to communicate with patients. You're going to learn what it's like and how to function in a healthcare facility. You're going to learn the expectations that the physician will have for you and that you should have for your healthcare team, and how to interact with each other, and also the correct technique.
I'm majoring in kinesiology, so I want to do something with either nutrition or physical therapy.
I want to focus on radiology and either go into focusing on more sonogram type things, or scans like MRIs and mammograms, focusing more on women. And I wanted to take this class to be able to see how it is working with patients, just learn more about working with actual people.
After high school, I plan on getting my BSN and then my RN to become a CRNA. Just seeing the different parts of the medical field and the different things I could be doing, and being able to see hands-on what I'll be doing.
When you go into other medical fields, they like when you have more experience starting out. When I graduate, I'm going to have my phlebotomist and HIPAA certification too. Well, it'll make me stand out from people that have not done anything so far and are just going into their RN or something, to have that experience and my certifications.
Because you're going to hear the apex, so you're going to hear that ventricular kick of blood back down. That's what you're listening for. You're listening for one particular heart sound. As a phlebotomist, when you apply for the job, they already know, because you have this certificate, that they don't need to teach you which additives you need to know about. They don't need to teach you how to draw blood. They don't need to teach you why HIPAA is important or how to take care of bloodborne pathogens. You already know those things. So they know that they can skip 6 to 12 weeks of training with you and put you right in there with the patient population. And in today's society, it's really important to be able to put you straight into the healthcare facility and let you work.